Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. But BeCozi.net and BeCozi.com is an American website with the biggest collection of chunky yarn for hand knitting. Today I will be showing you how to make this beautiful bear. So we'll be making a bear with our Jumbo Chenille yarn in pink. And this guy was made with our Jumbo Chenille yarn in white. We also have many other colors available. We have ivory. Here I have some ivory color. And we just received a beautiful, I'm trying to sit him down, but he doesn't want to sit. So we just received a beautiful new color of Jumbo Chenille, guys. And that will be one of my next video tutorials. That is light lavender, super cute, super soft, super beautiful color. And again, as I said, video tutorial will be coming soon. So this yarn is amazingly soft and fluffy. You cannot compare it to chunky Chenille yarn that we have on our website. For stuffed animals, Jumbo Chenille yarn is so much better. They are big, fluffy, soft, and just looking and feeling very nice. So you will need a little bit over 2 skeins. If you're making a little bit smaller size like this guy, it's 2 skeins of our Jumbo Chenille yarn. And if you have the yarn ready, the link to the website is underneath the video. Let's get started.